In this class, we'll discuss about electric field. Let's assume there's a charge Q1, there's another charge called as Qt. If I fix the charge Q1 and start moving the charge Qt around this, we'll experience some force. As you've already seen, between the two charges, there will be a force of attraction or repulsion as per the Coulomb's law. Now, if I move the charge Qt, which is nothing but a test charge, it will experience that force. So, what would be that force? F would be K Q1 Qt by, let's say the distance in between them is R. So, it would be RQ and the R vector. Now, this is the force. Now, the force per unit the test charge, which is nothing but F vector by the Qt, would be given by K Q1 by mod RQ R vector. The force per unit the test charge would be called as an electric field. So, electric field is nothing but it is the force when I am having a charge Qt and another charge Q which is fixed. If I move the charge Qt, it will experience some force. The force per unit the test charge is nothing but the electric field. We will see the numerical on this in the next videos.